Welcome back. This is going to be a quick demonstration of flying stars Feng Shui. So basically it's a Excel developed by myself, and just to make things quick and easy. So first things, basically the compass orientation and the year that the home is built. So just for this example, 1965, and it's going to be compared against this year. The age is automatically detected. Compass direction needs to be adjusted, and it's facing sort of north. Now that basically means that it is an age 6 with a southwest 1, northeast 1 orientation. So this automatically updates the flying star grid, does all the calculations, and if it's a complicated chart, then this area would flag up. Now what this allows me to do is then look at the floor plan and adjust accordingly to wherever the entrance is. So I think for this instance it was the northeast was the entrance, the main entrance to the home, and allows me to review the mountain stars and water stars and the energetic qualities of the flying stars, and obviously look for any I guess remedies that's required, and the energetic properties of it. That's it. Quick and easy. This is going to be developed further into a more formal report, and should make things interesting to bring Feng Shui into the 21st century. Anyway, that's all for now. If you like it, like the video and subscribe.